beautiful people, it's me Cindy. Kamusta kayo? I hope all is well with you all. Stay safe and healthy. Our video for today is the first part of our 7-day Boracay trip. We stayed for 5 days in Astoria Current, White Beach. Looking forward for the time that we can travel again just like before. All passengers bound for Katiklan, you are now ready. Please make sure to secure necessary travel documents before departure. This is the usual path of the boat, but since malakas ang alon dito kami sa kabila dadaan. This is the pool near the beach and near the restaurant. It has lights that changes its color. This is the saltwater pool near the reception. Boracay is still as beautiful as I remember it, but there are no more beach beds near the shore and no loud parties. There are a lot of closed shops near the beach area and on the main road. It was a windy first day in Boracay while looking for my favorite shorty burger. We've been away too long. How lovely to wake up and eat with this view. Since this is our end time in Boracay, we didn't do any activities, but if you want, there are a lot to choose from. Throughout our stay, it wasn't always this sunny. There were times that it was raining. But when the sun is at its zenith, you'll find us do what we do best. Let's go! I brought my workout outfit so that I can run outside. Tomorrow I'll do yoga at Residencia. Also, I didn't forget to put sunblock now because yesterday I didn't put sunblock and it hurts. So I'm so excited. We will upload another video on the best and worst places to eat here in Boracay. You know that I'm happy. We're here in Boracay right now, and this is where we're staying. Hello everyone! Hello beautiful people! We're here in Astoria Current, Boracay. Let's go and check the room. This is our 5th and last day here in Astoria Current, Boracay. This is our home for 5 days, and today we are transferring to Shangri la Boracay. I'm going to make another video about it. Separate ko na lang para hindi masyadong mahaba. The bed is okay and it's a bit small for us. Nakatulog naman yung asawa ko. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, ang asawa ko ang measure ko kung maganda yung bed or not. So nakatulog naman siya. On the right, there's sink and faucet. They also have personal refrigerator. Yung kami ng water. Teka, I'll just move it. Ngayon is wala masyadong tao. I just don't know how it will be kapag fully occupied siya. Ayaw ko sa room is naririnig namin yung nasa taas or may mga nang-move ng furnitures or pagka nasa labas may dumadaan. Pero hindi naman masyado maingay kasi konti nga lang yung tao. Pero I don't know if it is when it is fully occupied kung how it will be. Pasok mo na dito. Nandito na yung CR. As I have mentioned, this is our 5th day and nagpalinis lang kami ng twice. Once lang kami nagpalinis. So, medyo madumi, sorry. You're there. Sintella. So, we decided not to swim this morning. Later na lang sa Shangri la. We're gonna go out and eat some churros. So sad, hindi available ang churros. So maybe we should just go back here in Boracay, no? Boracay, you're so beautiful. Thank you for the memorable stay and see you again soon.